So, dear students, today we will do question number 1 and exercise is 3.3 page number 65. And actually, you should take the graph. You should do on the graph paper that, so it will be easy to you. So first let's see here. What is the question is? In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points, these points are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So first we try to understand about quadrant. In previous videos I have taught about the quadrant. So first we should locate here, then check in which quadrant these points lie. किस क्वाड्रेंट में कौन पॉइंट आ रहा है. सो यू नो दिस थिंग, एक्स ओ एक्स डैश हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, इट इज एक्स एक्सिस, वाई ओ वाई डैश, इट इज वाई एक्सिस. एंड फर्स्ट इट इज फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट बिकॉज फ्रॉम दिस एक्स एक्सिस वी मूव एंटी क्लॉक डायरेक्शन. तो इट इज फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट and it is second quadrant, it is third and it is fourth. And try to locate the points. So this first point is minus 2, 4. Check where it is. It will locate this minus 2, 4. So minus 2, all numbers first is always x axis, second y. It is x, it is y, or not like that, x and y, because it is Cartesian plane. So it is x axis, it is y. तो minus 2, 4, minus 2 we see minus 2 on the x axis. minus 2 कहाँ मिलेगा? origin से right side positive, from the origin this side left side negative. So minus 2 is coming here and y is 4. So minus 2 and this along y you should check where is the 4. So y is 4 this. Actually you can plot also like that. If you have problem you can plot like that. ऐसे इसको प्लॉट करेंगे. तो this point is minus 2, 4. So clearly we can tell that minus 2, 4 lie in the second quadrant. So it was minus 2, 4. Now look at this. 3 minus 1. On the x axis check 3, on the y axis minus 1. So where is 3 on the x axis? Plus 3, sign is plus. So it is 3 on the x axis and y minus 1. Y minus 1, if you go above here, you get positive values. If it comes down, you get negative values. The minus 1 is where? So it is 3 minus 1. Minus 1 is here. So very easy technique to put the points. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख लेंगे ये पॉइंट हो गया, x में 3 है and y में है क्या? minus 1. So it is in fourth quadrant. Now next this minus 1, 0. minus 1 the x axis. minus 1 को चेक करें x axis में, इधर positive 1 है, that side minus 1. It is minus 1 and 0. 0 means on the same point because on the y axis it is 0. X axis is minus 1, y is 0. So this point is minus 1, 0. Otherwise you can write like this, minus 1 and 0. This point is minus 1, 0. On the x axis on the negative side this it is. Now next 1, 2. X is 1, y is 2. Both are positive, both are plus. So x is 1, y is 2. So x is 1, y is 2. So our point is, it is 1 and 2. On the x axis 1, 1, 2 means it is on the x axis, 2 is on the y axis. Minus 3, minus 5. On the x axis minus 3, it is y. So minus 3, see on the x axis minus 3, इधर मिलेगा, यहाँ पर minus 3 है और y है minus 5, प्लस 5 ऊपर जाएगा and minus 5 coming down. So where is minus 5? It is minus 3, and where is minus 5? Here is minus 5. तो ठीक इसके सीधा ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन we can draw here. So now this point is minus 3 minus 5. So these are the point locating in the Cartesian plane. इसका नाम क्या होता है? Cartesian plane. So we write the answer in which quadrant or on which axis. So first we write minus 2 4. It is solution. The point minus 2 4. Check on which quadrant it is coming. In which quadrant? Minus 2 4. See here, this minus 2 4 is in the second lie in the quadrant 2. Now next 3 minus 1 check करो. 3 minus 1, 3 and minus 1 plotted here. It is in the fourth quadrant. The point 3 minus 1 lie means इसमें अच्छा lie in the quadrant 4 या fourth quadrant 4. Now next minus 1 0. The point minus 1 0 lie यो कुनै क्वाड्रेंट में छैन. It is not in any quadrant because it is on the line. On the line means lie on the negative of x axis. x axis के नेगेटिव पॉइंट पर, नेगेटिव पर है ये. सो minus 1 0. Now next 1 2. The point 1 2, you see there 1 2 lie in the 1 2. Where 1 2? 1 2 is in the first quadrant, in the quadrant first. Now last minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 is in third quadrant. So the point minus 3 minus 5 lie in the quadrant 3. So this type of questions you can plot very easily in the Cartesian plane. So it was the solution of question number 1 from the exercise 3.3. And question number 2, it is for you. You can do yourself that by the same method.